Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your host.
Alright, so isang magandang gabi ko muli sa ating lahat. Good evening, everyone! Hello po sa ating mga ginagalang mga bisita and our own beloved guests na dito sa aking harapan. And maging sa ating nasa likod natin, hi, kaway naman po tayo sa likod. Hello, good evening, sa magandang gabi sa lahat. And of course, before we officially begin our program for tonight, nais ko lang po sana, syempre naman, nais ko lang po sana makamusta ang lagay ng ating mga bisita right now. And I also want to check your vibe and your energy. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, maaari mo ba kung makarinig po mula po sa inyong lahat ang isang palakasa, palakpakan, may kasama, sigawan dyan! Oh, diba? That's the vibe we're exactly looking for tonight. And ganyan dapat po tayo pasaya because of course tonight is the time to celebrate, rejoice, and be united all together because of course we are all gathered here to witness a very special and spectacular events for our U.S. Smart tonight. And by the way, magandang gabi muli sa ating lahat. Welcome aboard here at the Heritage once a night. And tulad nga nagsabi ko earlier, one more time, we are all gathered here to witness and also to celebrate this time the wedding reception of our couple newlyweds, Mr. and Mrs. Sablay. Excited na po ba kayo? Ayan. So before we officially begin, pinipigin lang po namin ang lahat sa Small Believer Show. Please bear with us all throughout the prayer. Samahan natin lang po kami and just feel the vibe, feel at home, and samahan lang kami hanggang tulo ng ating programa. Dahil ang goal namin ngayong gabi ay hindi na po ang couple natin ay mag-enjoy kung hindi tayong lahat. So brace yourselves po sa ating mga fun-filled surprise games at mga activities that we're about to witness for tonight's event. But syempre bago muna tayo pumungo nga sa mga exciting part ngayong gabi, hindi pa rin makakapatuloy kung wala pa dito sa gitna ang ating couple. That's just of course, please give me the opportunity to formally acknowledge the presence of our personal sponsors alongside with the parents of our couple. So tatawagin ko po sana ang mga pangalan ng ating mga ninong at ninang. If you heard your name, please stand. Tatayo na lang po tayo. At kakaway sa mga bisita na para po ba tayo mga sikat na artista para mapalakpakan at ma-honor po tayo ng ating mga beloved guests. Okay? And of course, simulan natin agad with introducing our ninongs and ninangs, starting off with the group of our ninongs. Welcome natin. Let's have here Ninong Rodante, BC Westmoreland. Welcome po natin. Good evening, Ninong. And of course, for our next Ninong, we got here Ninong Roel Antonin. Welcome natin. Good evening po, sir. And of course, next up, we also have here Rayden Arson ay Pogron. Pagkakama ko ba? Ayan. And of course, next up, we have here Ninong Marcos Luis Marcos. Yeah. And last but not the least, ladies and gentlemen, to complete our Ninongs this evening, let's give it to Gerald B. Pascual. Magandang gabi. Once again, a round of applause to your Ninongs of the night. Palakpakan naman natin. Gagawa ko talaga. At kung makupas-kupas, diba, ang ating mga Ninongs. Siyempre naman, hindi makakahuli ang ating mga principal sponsors, our Ninang. So, of course, pakilala ko na po sila sa inyo. Beginning with Ninang Erlinda Barrietos. Palakpakan naman nila ang Ninang. Good evening. Napakaganda ng ating mga ngayong gabi. And of course, for our second Ninang, we got here Ruby Marie Vespolen. Yes. Ipapayang sumunod para sa lahat. And thank you so much for good evening. And of course, we also have here Ninang Teresa Pabron. And of course, our second to last Ninang, we have here Bernadette Marissima Morrison. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, dear folks, last but definitely not the least, to complete your personal sponsors in our Ninang tonight, let's give it up to Dr. Alenita G. Manalaysay. Palakpakan po natin. Okay, once again, a round of applause to your personal sponsors for tonight. And syempre naman, wait, there's more. As I'm about to acknowledge our mga sponsors ngayon naman po, ay ipapakilala ko lang sa inyo this time ang mga iginagalang-galang po natin mga magulang or the parents of our newlyweds. So let's start off with the parents of our bride. So let's give up to Armando Pastillo and Linda Pastillo! Over here. Thank you so much for sa ating mga magulang over here. And of course, hindi magpapahuli ang mga magulang this time na ating room. So let's give it up to Mr. and Mrs. Camilo and Alex Gabron! A round of applause one more time to the parents of our beloved newlyweds of tonight. And of course, ngayon nga, ladies and gentlemen, kung naipakilala ko po sa inyo ang ating mga personal sponsors along with the parents of our couple, I believe that it is now time na ating ipakilala sa inyo. Of course, ang ating mga secondary sponsors, also what we call them as our abay. Okay? So we decided that we are about to call them as Team Bride and Team Group, and they will be united as one at isang pasok na lang sila, and they will be witnessing a special surprise from our secondary sponsors. Magagaling lang po sila sa main entrance, and as they capture our stage, hindi ko lang po sana sa ating mga guests right now, once I call the names of our Team Bride and Team Group, maaari po natin silang salubungan at isang malakas na palakpakan na may kasama na yung hiyawan. Once they enter, parang mas ganahan sila, di ba? Iba talaga ang gulot kasi ng cheer and energy para sa ating mga guests. But, hindi ko na masyadong manatagalin pa. So, it's about time, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome on stage. Of course, let's give it up to you, Team Bride and Team Group. Post naman! Isang matinding post sa harap ng audience. Post na! Yes, ayan. Para picture na tayo. Palakpakan naman natin one more time. Your secondary sponsors, please stay here na lang po sa side. And ayan ba nga, I think we're about to proceed po sa inaabangan nyo. Or the most sasabihin nga, highlight for again. So I think it's about time. But before anything else, may I request naman po, each and every of our guests to please rise. Magsipag kayo na po tayo lahat. Because I believe, parang na, oras na, and it's time that we are about to welcome on stage our newlyweds for tonight. Pero sandali lang, before we continue, audience and our beloved guests, i-request ko lang sa lahat, pakitingnan niyo po and observe your tables. Pakicheck lang po. May makikita po kayo dyan na puti napkin or panyo. Yan, kuha po tayo. One at a time and one by one. Kuha kayo. Okay. Yung iba, nakita ko kanina sa basic, ginamit na po yung pangpunas and pamahit, syempre para alam na yun. But for this time, we are going to use that napkin as one of our symbol and props upang salubungin ang ating couple. Paano gagawin? Once ang covered couple, itaas lang yan. Huwag kayo ng malakas, kalakit ng isang malakas na sigawan sa pagsayuro to cheer our couple as they enter here our stage. Okay? Ganyan na po natin. Binibigay ko lang po sana sa lahat. Ibigay na natin itong araw at gabi sa ating bagong kasal. Yung total energy natin, 100%. Yung parang wala ng bukas na tayo yun ang magbibigay ng talagang high energy sa kanila. So, ibigay na natin sa kanila para, of course, deserve naman ang ating couple. But before anything else, may tanong lang ako sa ating beloved guests right now. Ladies and gentlemen, are you all guys ready? Teka. Parang mahina. Okay? Parang mahina. Parang hindi pa yan pasado. Tingnan natin. Ladies and gentlemen, are you all guys ready? Okay ba? Ganyan ang hinahanap natin ngayong gabi. Sige, Boss DJ, mahina lang ang audio. Ayan, and I believe, panahon yan. It's about time that we are about to get on stage. So that is why, brace yourself for one and get ready. Because, ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, let's follow with us the grand entrance of our one and only ito. So one more time, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome on stage Mr. and Mrs. Danilo and Danica Sola! Let's get loud. Together do it, come on, let's get once again, round of applause to Mr. David Zamora! Alright, thank you so much. Ayan po, raise your hand standing po. Manatiling na po muna tayo ng kayo. Sandali lamang po. Please make the right signal kung mauupo na po tayo. Dahil may dalawa po tayo gagawin before we take our seat. So first up is of course, okay lang po pasamahan niyo ako. And of course, bibilang lang po kung tatlo. Hindi tayo magtatago ha. Hindi. So pag bibilang po tatlo, on my count of three, sabay naman tayo. Sabay-sabay po tayo sumigaw para sa kanila na talaga makulbay ang bagong kasal. Samahan niyo po ako. Nakaskatan para madinig nila. Ready? Here we go! And 3, 2,